morning, my dear children. So, last class we have discussed what is a profit and loss appropriation account, and we have seen the format of profit and loss appropriation account where the net profit is appropriated among partners, and we have seen the debit side and credit side posting in the profit and loss appropriation account. Now, if you remember, that was a ledger, and ledger had postings. Behind every ledger preparation, there are journal entries. So in 11th standard, we learned journal entries and then we made ledger. Here, I have shown you in previous class profit loss appropriation account, which is a ledger. I'm going reverse. Now, based on the postings which were done in the profit and loss appropriation account, here are the journal entries. So I'm not going to go into its very detail. I hope you are able to connect the entries with connection of profit and loss appropriation account. So here comes the first journal entry, which is transfer of profit from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. This is the entry. Profit and loss account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, being net profit transferred from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. In case of loss, the entry goes profit and loss appropriation account debit to profit and loss account, being net loss transferred from profit and loss account to profit and loss appropriation account. So if you recall the appropriation account, the profit for which this entry stands here was written on the credit side of profit and loss appropriation account. But if there is a net loss, this was written in the format on the debit side, and I hope you have able to understood this, that posting has these two entries. Either of these entry will be there in a question. Now we move ahead with the remuneration. Point number 3. If the partners are paid any remuneration like salaries and commission, the entries stand like this. Partners salary or commission account debit to partners capital account. See, if you have salary for partners, you will write partners salaries account debit, or you can simply write salaries account debit to partners capital account. If it is commission, you will write commission account debit to partners capital account. Regarding this current account, I am going to discuss it with partners capital account and its explanation. So the narration goes, being salaries or being commission allowed to partners. Now, after allowing the salary and commission, this remuneration, whether so in entry 3.1 we have narrated the salary or commission allowed to the partners. In entry number 3.2, here is 3, here is 2. The salary or commission which is allowed to partner is now transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. We have already written it in the format. So this is the entry. Because it goes on the debit side, if you remember, it is an expense for the firm. The entry to transfer remuneration to profit and loss appropriation account will be profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners salaries if it is salary, to partners commission if it is commission. Here is an alternatively a combined entry which is written here, but we are skipping this because we are not going through alternative entry. It is actually the product of first and second entry. So we will be following first and second entry. Alternative entry we are not going to follow for the moment. When we are done with the topic, we will discuss it later on. So this was point number 3 for partner salary and commission. Now point number 4 for allowing interest on capital. Interest on capital being an expense, it was written on the debit side of profit loss appropriation account. I already talked about it in the previous class. Here is the entry 4.1. Interest on capital account debit to partners capital account, being interest allowed on capital the partners. Then 4.2 stands for transferring this interest on capital to profit and loss appropriation account. The entry goes profit and loss appropriation account debit to interest on capital account. You remember in the format we had two partners whose name we have written below interest on capital on the debit side. So this is the same entry for that posting which was done in the appropriation account. Now we go with point number 5 for charging interest on drawings. The entry goes partners capital account debit to interest on drawings account, being interest charged on the drawings made by the partners. Then we will transfer this interest on drawing to profit and loss appropriation account, for which the entry goes interest on drawings account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, being interest on drawings transferred to profit and loss appropriation account. So we're done with interest on drawing. Next, we are going with point number 6, which is to transfer the reserve or to create reserve out of profit. And the entry goes profit and loss appropriation account debit to reserve account. You remember there was a reserve in the format. You can check your specimen format, and there was reserve on the debit side. This reserve is always created out of profit. So here is the entry profit and loss appropriation account debit to reserve account, being reserve created out of profit. Finally, when we did the totaling and balancing, and if the credit was more than debit, it is called net divisible profit. You can see here this word divisible or distributable profit. This is the balance CD figure on the left hand side of appropriation account, which is known as net divisible profit. The word net is missing here, but you should remember this is net divisible profit, because the profit which we took in the beginning on the right side or the credit side was net profit from profit and loss account. So there has to be a difference. That is net profit, and this is going to be called as net divisible profit. The entry to transfer this to partners is profit and loss appropriation account debit to partners capital account, being profit transferred or credited to partners in their profit sharing ratio. And if in the case your debit side of profit and loss appropriation account is more than the credit side, it is called net divisible loss, and this has an entry partners capital account debit to profit and loss appropriation account, being net divisible loss debited to partners in their profit sharing ratio. We are having a place in profit and loss appropriation account. All the entries have been discussed in a very simple manner one by one from number 1 to number 8.